My name is Jacob Steiner, and today I'm going to be talking about white blood cells and the lymphatic system. Just for clarification, I'll be focusing on the different types of white blood cells and the diseases they fight and what they do. And I'll be referencing the lymphatic system when talking about production of those certain cells. First, I have the immune system. The immune system is what produces all these cells that help fight off diseases and such in the human body. And this is Osmosis Jones, a movie about fighting off viruses and bacteria in the human body. Alright, first let me talk about a category of white blood cells, which is granulocytes. We got neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. This is a basophil, and this right here is an eosinophil. These leukocytes are all granulocytes. This means that they have granules, and they are all connected by thin strands of nucleoplasma. Next is agranulocytes, and that has lymphocytes and monocytes in it. These white blood cells contain no visible cytoplasmic granules. As you can see, it's a lot more whole. And then you have the blue outside cytoplasm. Alright, the first white blood cell I'm going to talk about are neutrophils. These are the most abundant leukocytes in the body. They're right here. You can see the nucleated bodies right here. Their specific job is fighting off against bacterial infections. And an example of this would be having pus pop up under your skin. The pus would be dead bacteria and dead neutrophil leukocytes. Next is eosinophils. These are another type of granulocyte, and you can identify them because they have the red granules whenever they are stained. These are all just red blood cells. They're the second least abundant leukocyte, and they play a role in allergic reactions, and they also help fight off parasites. Next we have basophils. This is a basophil right here in the middle. They're the last granulocyte I'll be talking about. And they also help with allergic reactions, like eosinophils. They also release enzymes that help reduce inflammation, so blood flow is better, and clotting is less likely. Next, I have lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are the second most abundant white blood cell in the body. They are also the most important. They attack viruses and bacteria in two different ways with two different variations of their own cell. First of all, we have a T-cell lymphocyte. A T-cell lymphocyte will attack a virus or bacteria directly. They attach to bad cells and inject a protein in them that helps eat the cell from the inside out. And these are the T-cells right here, and this would be the bad cell. And you can see the T-cells attaching to it. Okay, now we have B-cell lymphocyte. They're different from their T-cell counterparts. Instead of attacking it directly, they will mark the bad cell, and macrophages will come and destroy it. This is the B lymphocyte. This is just a lymphocyte, and this is a T lymphocyte right here. Next, we have the thymus. This is a part of the lymphatic system I was talking about. It is not known for fighting viruses directly. It doesn't fight at all against them. It just holds and creates T cells, and it differentiates those lymphocytes from T cells and B cells, so we have an even amount. And then we have the bone marrow. This is where not just B cells are made, but also T cells. But they start off as in the bone marrow, and then become stem cells, and then they move to the thymus for differentiation. And T cells go to the inner of the lymph node, which is right here, and then B cells go on the outer side of the lymph node. Next, I have monocytes. Monocytes are the third most abundant leukocyte. They're also the largest out of all of them. They are kidney bean shaped when you look under a slide, and they break apart and destroy. They break apart and become macrophages and destroy whatever needs to be destroyed. Next, I have natural killer cells. These leukocytes are seen as a rapid response to viruses and tumors. For my example for this one, they're like bouncers to a club. If they see something unusual or something they don't like, they're going to kick you out. In this case, the club would be the body and the cells would be the bouncers. They detect something off. They don't really have any certain cell they attack. They just detect if a cell is off, and if it's off, they're going to destroy it. Thanks.